My name Alex, or whatever, say your name. Come on, y'all, we go. Come on, tell you family going to the truck. All of getting in this damn truck one time.
Look at it. He on hit funny mics. Bro on hit funny mics.
Come on, Tug, you ride too, man.
I ain't think we not going to check his feet.
He ain't finna script me, what? He ain't finna, look, he ain't finna script. Oh, he done took it from me. Hey. I really can do this YouTube jump, bro. What good YouTube? It's your boy Booski, bro. We in this thing. I got an SS, I got a fast SS, and he got a slow. It's on slow. My jump fast. Yeah, BJ man, he wanted to ride with me. You can ride with me, bro. Come on. I'm just boy. Come on, man. I'm just playing, bro. You might as well do it. Sit back down. Man, load the bus up, man. Load the bus up. Man, it is what it is. You feel me? My pops plucked on me. He made me cut his hair, and he ain't even cut my hair. He plucked on me, lame-o. Dude, really a lame-o. And my sister, she got all the old kids in the car with her. She got this fat Tahoe. It be slow that car. Yeah. And then you got me, you feel me? Booski P. And they say we turn and get check engine on though. Feel me? I'ma check engine on. But it ain't nothing. Yeah, I get that fixed. I'm real money man, Booski bird. Like, it is what it is, man. This is sticky. We get real sticky out here. I don't even know what they doing. Feel me? I'm really just vlogging. I don't even know what to say. Feel me? It is what it is, though. Like, man. Huh?
That part, we're going down to what's thing?
So we got everybody in the truck. We got Felicia driving. We got family. We got BJ. And we got, what's his name?
Mike.
We got Mike. Yeah, we finna go to the carnival. We finna have so much fun, y'all. We gonna be recording and everything. Y'all get Uncle Shaq too. Y'all see the merch, y'all. Shout out to Uncle Shaq. Shaq Diesel. y'all. That's what it's called. I can't zoom in, but like, wait. That sun out, y'all. But look, I'm gonna record like this so y'all can see my face and stuff like that. But yeah, y'all, we're gonna have so much fun. And y'all, I can't wait. Cause yeah, we're gonna turn up. Bro, they got like a bumper. What's it called? What's it called? Jumper bumper. Bro, we too old for this other shit. Like so. Mike. We too old for this. Yes, we need to go. Fallon said she too old for this. Well, we said we need to go to the fair. Well, this is basically like a fair. It is like a fair. My mama said that. I think I've seen him on YouTube. It's Grip Baby in the building. You remember that? It's Grip Baby in the building. Y'all, that sun is literally gleaming. I mean, beaming. Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna add like some more. Look at shine. It's hot. Yeah, I was finna put this phone on the car, but it's not our car, so. Grip Baby in the building. Huh? Alright, y'all, but I'm gonna get back with y'all when we like literally going right into it. So behind you. Yeah. Peace, y'all. He gonna get hit. That sun is gleaming, but I know I'm gonna hurt you. How long we gonna be here? How long we gonna be here?
I don't know. About 2 hours. They got the horses over there.
Oh, they got we didn't bring our swim thing.
No, they got horses over there.
We didn't bring it. We didn't bring our swim thing.
Yeah. Y'all complaining. How y'all gonna bring some?
We're having so much fun. He recording.
Nate. Huh? Hey, how you doing? Good.
I heard you went to the pony ride. Can you do me a favor and wait until that time for me? Sometimes, and I want to spend some time with you. Just the two of us. Yeah. Y'all can hear me back there? Y'all good? Y'all good? Y'all hear me? You hear me? Do you hear me? Loud and clear, right? Yeah. All right.
Got Goofy and Momo finna ride the thing. I'm finna find. All right, y'all know I had to get me a polar sausage, onions, ginger ale. I'm gonna sit my head down somewhere. But it's crowded out here though. At least had a good turnout. There's Nice out here. You already know it.
Which one?
I hope Chewy get out there. I just say that.
Chewy, but that
That silent. That silent motherfucker moving.
That white car hook up, he gonna hook.
Yeah, that's what I say. I seen that. I ain't lying. That's the only thing about it.
That what he